Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Then click the bell icon to be notified. Ballroom dance is a set of partner dances, which are enjoyed both socially and competitively worldwide. Because of its performance and entertainment aspects, ballroom dance is also widely enjoyed on stage, film, and television. Ballroom dance may refer, at its broadest definition, to almost any recreational dance with a partner. However, with the emergence of dance competition, now known as Dancesport, two top schools have emerged. And the term is used more narrowly to refer to the dances recognized by those schools. Ballroom dancing consists of two styles: the smooth, or standard, and the rhythm, or Latin. The smooth, standard style focuses on the elegance, grace, and fluidity of movement. Dancers rotate in a counter-clockwise direction, moving around the entire floor. The couple is always moving on the dance floor, transitioning from one place to the next in a fixed pattern. The foxtrot, waltz, tango, Viennese waltz, and quickstep are danced in this manner. The rhythm, Latin style focuses on a display of vibrant energy and a personal flair. The couple's dancing pattern is syncopated to the rhythm of the music. The couple usually dances in one spot on the dance floor. Included in this style are the East Coast swing, jive, rumba, bolero, cha-cha, mambo, samba, and paso doble. Popular dances, such as the Argentine tango, salsa, merengue, West Coast swing, hustle, bachata, nightclub two-step, and county are more recent additions world of ballroom. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.